In this video, I'll show you how you can install Cave Horror Project in Minecraft. Now, the easiest way to do this is to head over to curseforge.com, and from in here you want to press Get CurseForge App. In here you want to choose Download Standalone, and it's gonna put an installer up here. It's really simple, just click on it and press Install. Now after it's done installing, it should look like this. You want to make sure you have Minecraft installed on your PC as well as logging into your Minecraft. Now after you make sure you have that, you want to head over here and add Minecraft. You can do that manually or scan your PC. When you have added Minecraft, you can click on it, head over to Browse and search for Cave Horror Project. Now when you do that, it should be the first one with the most downloads. Simply press Install, and after it's done installing, you can press Play right here. Now when you do that, it's gonna open up your Minecraft and you'll be playing the Cave Horror Project. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.